today we're back with another video, and we are going to be doing a squishy haul. I'll go first. Okay, so first I have Tabba Squishy French fries with a just like gummy burger, I guess. Like, it's not even that good.
The French fries are good though.
Yeah, the French fries are really good. I got them at Walmart, and no one was buying them. And then I have these sand squishies. I don't know if y'all could hear
Those
that.
are my favorite sand squishies. Like, there's not a better sand squishy than that. Like,
I have this sand squishy. I decorated her.
yeah. Sand squishies are just mid.
And then I have a paw. It's kind of squished right now. It's like at the bottom of my squishy bag because I don't really like it. And then, sadly, I got scanned, but I have a fake dumpling. It has Orbeez. Glittery. The glitter comes off.
It's actually
though.
really pretty.
Yeah. It's okay. It was like $6. Still a lot for a fake one. And then I have this. I got it at H-E-B.
It's a good ASMR squishy.
I got it for my birthday. And then I got these huge fake Nito. Like,
The
I'll
Walmart.
pull out my real Nito versus the fake one. But this one is honestly better. Like, this I have to like dig my nails into, and this one I can just...
Yeah, this one's just easy to squish.
Yeah.
The Nito is not that good.
Yeah, like it comes out hard. Like, you can never just have a soft one. Well, I mean, you can, but you have to get lucky. And then let me grab these. I got my Valentine's Nito hearts before they went like crazy viral. But like, I got them at Walmart too before like they started selling out like crazy. And then I got a butter. Butters can't be real or fake, really. They're just butter. So yeah. And I got an octopus. I got him at a dance studio for free.
Cause we that ballerina.
Yeah. And then y'all tell me if this is fake or not. But I just got this today. It's a Nito drop.
Oh no, that is real. It has the whole branding and all of that.
So it has this. And then don't think I missed out the bottom. Like they smell horrible, but they sound good.
They smell like chemicals. I actually kind of like that smell.
Well, let me just put these up and then I'll get right back to it. I like couldn't care less how I put it up. Okay, and then a lot of people say they want this, but a speck squishy. It's kind of dirty right now, but
Specs are like sticky.
they have like ones that have like spikes on them. I don't know what they're for exactly, but I don't want to like shame anything or say like quite.
Yeah, Specs is the real fidget brand, not Nito's Specs. They have all the stuff,
Yes. And then I got
and they're never sold out.
I think this is called like the bunny hops from Nito. I don't know. It's like an Easter one, I think. I know. I could really.
It's not like the clear one. It's a little older one.
Yeah. I got it from my friend. She like got it a couple years ago. Okay. And then I got these for like 75 cents at Dollar Tree. They're just like ice cubes. I got lucky and I got a pink one because most of them just had fruit in them, but mine didn't. And then I got just like this deflated thing. When I first got these, I have 6 of them. I gave most of them to her, but I had like 6 of them. When I first got them, all of them were inflated and you could like throw them up on the ceiling and they would stick. But now, they don't.
Zero stickage.
Yeah. So,
And if we have like a syringe, we could syringe some air in it, but who has a syringe?
and also like I feel like it would pop because these are very thin.
Yeah.
Okay, now to Ava. That's all I
Okay.
have.
So mine's gonna be squishies and kind of fidgets. So first we'll start off with the fidgets. First we have
Oh, also I have a lot of fidgets like her. I just didn't want to like make this video too long.
pop tube. Okay. Next we have this little towel squishy.
I used to have one, but we gave it to Ava's friend.
Next we have this squishy from Dollar Tree.
I actually love that one. You can't tell right now, but it's actually like a crazy color change. Like, it's so good.
Next We have the Neato Dream Job.
She got rid of her packaging.
Still in the truck. Slay. I mean, this is kind of big. Like, it's not as small as you think it was.
Yeah.
Next, I have the Neato Dog.
I gave that to her. I got it like
Can you
a
shut
long time ago. And I gave it to her because like I wasn't really feeling it. It was kind
Next.
of boring.
We have salted butter. The butter. It's not as good as it's not as slow rising, but it's still really good. Next, we have a blue dump one.
We don't know if it's real.
I think it's fake. I got it from my friend.
It has a hole in the bottom.
Next, we have a jellyfish.
A fake one though.
It's still good. It's better than the actual Neato. It can stretch a little bit, like.
Do not pop that in my room.
Okay. Next, we have a little octopus. I got this from
A dance studio.
a dance studio.
Yeah, she did.
It was this really
It's
cool
a
lady.
shop with a dance
A
studio
shop
connected.
and a dance studio connected.
That's what you said. Okay, on to the next.
And then I got this little softball. I found it at the ground at my school. It's not even squishy.
Wait, can I see? Do the bounce test, like
Yeah, it's like one of those.
bouncy.
Next,
balls
we have
or
the
kind of
Neato
squishy.
heart. I only have one of them because I tried to take the air on my other one and it popped.
What happened to the other one? Like, there's 3 of them that come in a pack.
I don't know. So then we have this little things. I have more of them, but they're
Yeah.
I don't know where they
I
are.
gave them to Ava because I don't like them.
But hold on,
Already, we had to say bye to our grandparents.
grandma.
Yeah.
Here's our octopus. I mean,
Octopus.
monkey. He's just
A
cute.
gorilla.
I mean, a gorilla's a monkey. He's just vibing. He's just a vibe.
Wait, is a monkey the same as a gorilla?
No, a gorilla is a species of monkey. Then we have this
Okay.
little stretchy
Unicorn.
llama.
Llama.
This is the unicorn.
Unicorn.
It's like the face and then the butt.
Oh, and one thing I have to say is, like, a long time ago when I was a baby, I had a lot of foam squishies, and I had, like, ramen noodles, those things, and I had a lot more. I don't know why I got rid of them. I think I, like, chewed them.
Okay, the Big Daddy, the duck. Like Jalen has that Walmart cube, and I have the duck. He smells so good. And this I randomly went to Five Below midday, and they had this.
Yeah, they had, like, a big, giant gorilla.
Yeah, a big one of these, like a
And
huge one of these.
a bunch of type of squishy. Like, I got this because that was actually kind of expensive.
And then they had
Like,
like this sea creature, like squishy. It was really cool.
yes. Like, it was like a invisible ball, and it had a bunch of, like, sea stuff. It was so cool. I was gonna get it, but it was kind of pricey.
Yeah, squishies are really pricey. Anyways, expect specs. Like one of these little things is $7. I mean that's kind of expensive, but here I have a fidget spinner. Nothing new.
I gave that to her.
Then it was like this pop-it thing.
A dimple. A dimple fidget spinner.
It's really good.
Okay, that's all for a haul.
Yup. Comment your favorite squishy.
And then also tell us how many squishies you have.
If you have any, because they're so freaking hard to find. these
Wait,
days.
let me count mine really quick and let's see how many I have.
I got this one from the beach because those gift shops are just like packed with squishies. And then I got this from a town in gift shop in our town.
I
so.
have 21 squishies.
Well, you have way more than me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Don't count the
10.
bottom of the dream job.
11, 12, 13. I have 13.
13.
Not including all these.
Honestly,
Oh, I have 2 frogs. 13, 14, 15. I have 15.
I was gonna take my frog back because we got him in North Carolina. Yeah. Okay, well, that's all for today.
Yeah, because 15 is the time limit, and if we go past that, YouTube won't let us post the video for some reason.
Yeah, like, I think we need to like get it like.
And also let us know if you're fans of Selena.
Yes, our queen of Corpus Christi. Okay, bye y'all.
Bye.